Good morning, everyone. This is Jill Cornelius. My creative partner number with Kiwi Lane is 247096, and today I'm showcasing my unboxing of the February 2024 Kiwi Club Kit called The Good Old Days. I received my kit on Saturday. Yes, I know it's Tuesday, but I had a little bit of snafu in my craft room. My craft light, it broke. So I haven't been really able to do anything until today. My new light came. It's up above. I love it. I'll put a link to it. I don't get anything from that, no commission or anything for my Amazon purchases, but if I like something, I share it with you. Back to the kit. As you can see, here's the sticker for the box. It's called The Good Old Days. The QR code, where if you take a picture of the QR code with your phone, you can open up that monthly PDF. Inside that PDF is lots of goodness, I call it. I call it goodness. Lots of page ideas, contest information, playdate information, as well as what templates go well with this kit. So, without anything further, let's open up the kit. See, I really haven't opened anything up yet because I like to do it online. Oh, it's a little bit tougher this month, or else my nails aren't very well. Sorry. Next time I will maybe just slice it open a little bit beforehand. Wow. Okay, here we go. No paper cut, no paper cut, no paper cut. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, here we are. Sorry about all the sun. I'm going to take it out of the box, but I just wanted you to see that it comes in a very nice plastic cellophane bag, and it has the four corners to protect the corners. The plastic pieces protect the corners. I do have a whole entire box of plastic corner pieces as well as tape rolls. I don't know why I'm collecting them. I just am. So let's open up the kit. Here it is with no glare. Here is the 6x12 sheet. Oh, it looks a little bit different this time. The Good Old Days. Get ready to transform this kit into beautiful pages. I'm always excited to do that. This month, they suggest you pair the kit with 4 different templates. The Abbey Road, I have it. Country, I have it, and it's on sale. Hallmark, which is an a la carte, and Simple, which came in one of these Snapbox kits, design kits. I believe I have that too. I just need to locate it. Here are some simple ideas on what you can create with this. You know what I don't see? I don't see the ingredients anymore. They used to tell you how many sheets of paper were in here, that it's 80-pound double-sided sheets. There's main pages and accompanying pages. So we're just going to go through it. And I'll get that information. And I'll put it in my description box since it's not here for me to read to you. Okay? Also, here at the bottom, it also tells you to access the digital idea book here. And the save a date information, which you can also scan with your phone. The new templates are right there. So let's open up. I don't know why they changed this. Okay, that's okay. We'll just move on. In this kit, there are some die shapes that's already pre-cut. They're pigs and horses. Let's open those up right now. Okay, we'll do the die shapes first because there's a lot of them. And I'm going to flip this over to give me more of a blank sheet for you to be able to see those. So we have a pig, a lamb, a horse, a cow, which some of you may know that I'm just crazy about cows. I love cows. I think they're the cutest things. Cows and cats, a rooster, and then we have all these little goodness pieces, buttons. Buttons. Well, they're paper buttons, really. But paper buttons are okay, but maybe I should use real buttons. Keep those to the side. Maybe I'll use real buttons. I have just about every color. So those are the die shapes, okay? They're really, really cute. The horse, which is the tallest one, measures, well, just under 4 inches by just over 3 inches. And the cow, just under 3.5, and just about, 2 5/8, 2 4/8. The smallest button, paper button, is just over 1/2 inch, and the largest button is about 1 3/8, 1 3/8 round. So let's take all these little critters and the buttons and put them to the side, and we will do the cards. Okay, so we will put those there. Probably wondering what kind of photos will I scrapbook with this. I actually have some photos of when I was little, and I would go up to the family farm in Pennsylvania. Here's the first card. Ooh, I like that gray. That's really pretty. First card. I would go up to Pennsylvania to the family farm, and I have pictures of me as a little girl in the family farm. So I think that this kit might fit those pictures. There's 3 little chicks on there. Really cute. I like that gray though. And the next one. Family gives you the roots to stand tall and strong. I could use that for those pictures too. Side B. Side A, journaling card. Side B. Today's little moments become tomorrow's precious memories. I could use this with those photos too. Side A. Side B. A little bit of country is good for the soul. Side A. That's really cute. Side B. And then we have all these that you can use with the tab. I believe it's from the Groovy section, or the Groovy accessory set. Let me go grab that. Let's see how that would look with it. I have it right here. Groovy. I have it right here in alphabetical. Is it with Groovy? Here's Groovy. There's the tab. What you could do is mount this onto another piece of paper and just do that. It would look pretty. So we'll keep the Groovy because you can use that. I think it would look good with this set too. The sunshine. See the sunshine? I think that would look really nice behind one of the templates. I'll show you which one in a moment. That's why I'm trying to get more people to watch my video so I can tell them my ideas of what templates I think would look really good with this. Anyway, there's all different little titles. This is side A. This is side B. And this is a 4x6 card. Very cute. These are the good old days. This would be perfect with those photos that I have. I'm sure I have more. I just need to look through that bag. It's a bag of photos. Side A. Side B. Daisies would look pretty with this too. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. Side A. Side B. Very cute. I like the cards this time. I like the colors in the cards. So that's a plus, right? Let's do the templates next. Here they are in the bag, and there's the QR code for them again, the good old days. And this set is called Hey Y'all. I grew up in Florida, South Florida, and I'm used to saying y'all, and now I live in Texas, and everyone says y'all. And it's funny because my husband's British, and to hear him say it is really sort of funny. To me, it's funny. So I'm just getting these in order for you so you can see them in the order that they're not numerical order, because I want to do things in order. Okay. So number one of 7 of Hey Y'all has the name there now and the number and the Kiwi Lane. This is a part of, well, it's a part of the, what is it called? I know what it is. The windmill. It's one of the paddles at the top. So this is 1 of 7. It measures 1 6/8, and the highest part is just about an inch. So we'll put that one there. Number 2 is, I don't even know what this is. A cloud? I don't know what this is. Anyway, number 2 of 7 measures 1 6/8 by just over 1 6/8 also. So that's number 2. Number 3 is the main part of the windmill. It's pretty tall. This measures, 7 1/4 at the height, and the longest part down below is just over 2 inches. Number 3 of Hey Y'all is, that's not number 3. Where's number 3? Oh dear. Oh, sorry, number 3 there. Number 4 of Hey Y'all is the barn. Really, really cute barn. You can decorate any color. Color your barn the way you want it colored. If you want a red barn, blue barn, white barn, green barn, just, you can really customize these to however you like. So this measures 5 1/4 by, we're going to do the silo on the barn, just over 4 1/2, so 4 5/8. Okay, the lowest, the tip of the barn to the bottom is 4 1/4. There's that one. Number 5 and 6 are the same. There are these laurel leaves that you can use. Flip them over like that. That's how I would do it. Okay, that way they connect in the middle. And these measure, they're both the same, so I'm only going to measure once just 5 1/2, just under 5 1/2, and the widest part is 1 5/8. And the final, oh, I know what that is now. Okay, it's part of the tree. Here's a tree. Okay, so just, I guess, I don't know. I'll have to figure this one out. Okay, number 7 of Hey Y'all, and this one measures 8 inches long. Wow. By the widest part, almost 3 inches, so 2 7/8. Okay, so those are all the templates for the good old days. And I have pictures for the good old days. I have pictures for almost everything, except for sports. And my husband just drove up, and I hope he doesn't come in here and start talking to me, because he does that, you know. So we're going to zoom through these papers, side A and side B, and I'm going to put all the information down below on how you can get one of these kits also. Here is a really pretty barn-themed paper. Really, really pretty. I like the colors in here. Really, really pretty. Side A, so you can color the barn to be whatever you want. Side A. Side B. I like side A. The next one is a grayish color paper with some white X's in it. That's the best description I can give. Side A. Side B. Really, really pretty flower. See? Let's go back to that barn paper so you can see it close up. Side A. Side A. Side B. I like side A. Okay. And here's the second sheet, the gray with, you can see the yellow, not the yellow, the white X's in there. Side B. I like them both. The next is this really, really pretty, I'm going to call it a mint greenish blue. It has a really pretty design in there. Side A. Side B. It's a patchwork design like a quilt. I'm going to go with side A. This is a wallpaper themed page. Reminds me a little bit of the Chatterbox wallpaper papers years ago. I still have a box of those over there. This is side A. Really, really pretty. Side A. Side B. I'm going to go with side A. The next is a really, really pretty green with a deeper green inside. I like this green. Looks like wallpaper to me also. Side A. Side B. Ooh, I like them both. First one. Side A. Side B. I like the yellow. Really, really pretty. The next is, ooh, there's 2 sheets of this. You know what you can do with 2 sheets. You can use one of each. Maybe, that is if you like side B. Side A. Side B. I'm going to go with side B. Side B. There's also 2 sheets of this one. Side A. Side B. I like side B. And finally, the last 2 sheets. This really, really pretty red. Burnt red, I'd say. There's 2 sheets of it also. These are the supporting papers they can use with the patterned papers. Side A. Side B. I like side B. So, this is the February 2024 Kiwi Club Kit called The Good Old Days. I've showed you everything. I've given you my suggestions, my likes, no dislikes. I might get in trouble for dislikes, but working on some things for my customers, just some ideas I've come up with on little doodads. Anyway, I'm going to put the information for joining my Facebook page down below in the description, as well as my website information and how to join the Kiwi Club so that you can also order this kit, which you need to order by the 20th of the month. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Share with your friends, scrapbooking friends, non-scrapping friends, cats. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.